Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So Ruby here, you guys. So today is my nail day. I already cleaned my nails. I already take off the one that I have on. I have them on for about 2 weeks and I do clean them off. So today I am going to use this gelish soft gel tip maximum caffeine pink nude. These are the color that I'm gonna use today. I'm not really a fan of this color that much, but I am going to use these. So this is the front part of it, and this is how the nails set in there. So I already make sure that I already um, take out the set that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this small lamp here to cure my nails. So I am just going to use a glue. This is the glue that I'm going to use, you guys, and this glue is amazing. It does keep on my nails really long. I got this from Sally, and this is quick dry glue, beauty secret. This is a great glue, you guys. Once I glue on my nails one time, I don't have to glue on it all the time, and I do go into water. And then I am going to use my primer today. This is also from Sally. I'm going to use my primer on my nails today also. So if you want to see, continue watching, my friend. So guys, if you want to do your nails at home, it's very easy. They have some self home kit that you can use. This is one that I have more than one. I have like two of them. This one run by electricity, and the other one run by battery, and these are from Walmart. So I use this to also, when I'm using, like if I'm gonna apply the nails, I would make sure that I start to clean inside of the nails here. You're not going to see everything that I'm going to do, but I'm going to show you the more necessary part. So you just clean inside of it, and then after. So we are going to start off today by um, doing this nail thing. So first, I am going to just use my buffer here, and I'm just going to buff the nail after finish cleaning up the nails and stuff. I'm just going to use my buffer here and buff it, and then I am going to apply my primer to my finger, and then I'm going to put it under the lamp for it to cure a minute before I apply the nails. And I like to do this because it does make my nails last long, like for about 2 weeks without me taking off. And you know, it's not easy to take them off. This morning when I was taking off my nails, I have to do a lot to take it off. So keep watching, my friend. So guys, I already cure one hand of the nails with the primer. So now I am going to apply the glue, and I make sure that I don't put the glue way down here. I always put the glue up here. So this is how I'm gonna apply the glue to the nails on top of it here. And then I also like to apply some of the glue in the nails itself. But this glue, it is so good, and whenever this one is finished, I think I'm going to go to Sally. Now I am going to apply the nails and make sure that the nail just does set properly on my finger, and I'm going to squeeze it down for a minute there. This is how it looks, you guys. So I'm going to put it underneath the lamp. I wish you could. Okay guys, so I'm adding another nail. And self-taught things is really of a big thing. So I'm adding another nail here, and I make sure that I put it way down and I'm squeezing it down. So this is how it is, and I am going to cure this one also. So I changed the lamp that I was using to cure my nails. Usually sometimes I don't like them to be too tall, so I'll cut them down, but this one I don't think I'm going to cut it down. So I'm gonna put on the rest on the other hand, and then I'm gonna show you. So guys, let me do the other 5 nails and then I will return. So guys, okay guys, so this is all that I have. Nail polish, nail gel, everything, and I have another container over there. And for my nails, these are the stuff that I use. I have this, I bought it at Walmart. It is very good to clean your nails and to rub your nails off. And I also have my nail file that I use. I also have these that I use sometime if I'm gonna do powder. But I prefer to sometimes to do this because it's really easy. I use this oil after finishing my nails then. This is what I use, you guys, to do my nails. And as I said, this is my primer. I use a primer. Sorry for the light in the background. I use the primer. This is what I use to put on my nail to cure my nail, and I bought these at Sally. This one is one of my favorite glue from Sally that I use, and this one really keep my nails to stay on for about 2 weeks or so, and I do put them underneath a lamp. So this is how my nails look right now, you guys, and I feel comfortable going out with these right now. And you know, I save a buck. I save back some money by doing it myself. You don't have to be perfect doing your nail. Just do what you can do. If you don't understand what YouTube or whatever, but sometimes you have to make sure that, you know, self do it yourself. I do everything. I do my own hair, my braids, my nails. I just do what I can do for myself, and don't let nobody tell you, oh, you are too old to do what you want to do. Do what you can do. You know, keep your mind occupied. So I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much again for stopping by, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.